Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Pop, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy a mini cooler from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Aliexpress application whether on your mobile phone or on your PC. After that you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here I am writing here mini cooler. After writing mini cooler you have to search for mini cooler, and you see it basically different samples are came in front of you. So basically I am going to open this one, this first one. So you can see it, four samples are available in this one. Yes, so here you it. First one is add tap water or mineral water, 5 big spray, cooling immediately, 600 milliliter water tank capacity, constant coolness. Here's it, 3 sprays, 1 spray and 5 spray option is also given here. Here is another one, easy to clean and protect health. You can see it, regular cleaning help prevent microorganism breeding and protect health. Removable clean fan blade. You can see it, open water tank, easy to clean. Here is another one. Here you see it, another sample. So here you see it, basically spray small fan 5 hole, humidification, small refrigeration, air conditioner mini fan, water cooled silent air cooler. So here basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you see it, PKR 4238 rupees. If we talk about the original price, then the original price is PKR 14,148 rupees, but after 70% off you can buy it only in PKR 4238 rupees. Price shown before tax, PKR 858 off every PKR 5722, max PKR 1770 rupees, free shipping. So basically if we talk about the colors, then you see it, 4 colors are available: black color available, white color available, blue color available, and green color available. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you see it, voltage 5 volt, power 1 watt, timing function no timing, remote control function no, brand name no, in name null, origin mainland China. So here see it basically, service you can see it, delivery free shipping from China with Aliexpress selection, standard estimation delivery 17 days to Pakistan, service 75-day buyer protection. So here see it, supplier sold by shop 110289 store. So here see it, basically item description is also provided here. So you can see it, cool me down during the evaporation process through the water mist of the sprayed ice crystal, absorb a lot of heat in the air to achieve a fast temperature drop effect. So here see it, 5 large nozzle strong wind, you can see it, instantly unlock high temperature molecules and reduce a lot of ice sensitive water mist. It 1 second strong drop 10 degrees centigrade. 3-in-1 air cooling and humidification. 5 large nozzle can adjust the amount of fog. No need to replace cotton swab without cotton swab. So here's it, low decibel operation, and the voice of blooming 10 to 15 decibel, library voice 20 to 30 decibel, XBC spray fan 30 to 40 decibel, and normal conversation voice 50 to 60 decibel. So here's it, scheduled shutdown, comfortable sleep, intimate care, 1 to 3 hours scheduled shutdowns, avoid long blowing cold. So here's it, anytime resist high temperature, you can see it, room cooling and hydrating, silent running scheduled shut down. Here's it, office cooling, coolant and comfortable work. So basically you have to buy this mini air cooler, then you see that the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You will click on this buy now option for buying this mini cooler. Thanks for watching this video.